All these payments here is what I earned from one particular update that lasted for a long time. And as you can see, this is the remain of what I earn, and I use Binance to earn it. The remain of what I earned from this update, I think what I earned from this update is close to $400, if not 358 something dollars. So this is just the remain of what I earned from it. I transferred it from my Binance account to my Trust Wallet account to safeguard it, because whatever you safeguard is what you really earn. So which update are we talking about? Well, we're talking about the Catley USDT update that trended for a long time before they begin to lock up and ask us to wait that they're about to launch and other things and blah blah blah. But in today's video is another update just like it. So let me show it to you guys. And the project is none other one apart from Kit Sidley. So they call it Sidri, and I'm gonna lead you guys through on what to do. So first of all, you need to sign up with the link in the description of this video. So once you are done signing up with the link in the description of this video, in the description of this video or first comments, wherever you see the link, sign up with it. But don't you even think of investing any money right now. We're gonna do and earn from it for free. This is my first time using this particular post update, and I'm going to be one of the new users on it, and also making this video for you guys to build news of it. But wait of all, let's see how it works. Just watch this video and see how it works, and let's know how we can start making money for free, because just like Catley, they are giving us some of their airdrop for free as a sign-up bonus. And as you can see, they said Sidri is inspired by Catley. So let's see how the project is going to go. But remember, we are not investing anything here, not yet. We are trying to make money from it for free. So the first thing first is to sign up with the link in the description of this video, and then sign out of your account, and then click on login again. Log in with your password and your email, and once you're done doing it, it's gonna bring you over to this particular place. Here you need to do some certain things for you to start earning from it. So what are you going to do? So if you go over to this place, you see that everything is just looking so plain here. So they are going to be giving 3.3% of whatever is being staked in the platform. So first of all, we go to click on this seed over here and click on this particular place that says claim airdrop. So if you click on claim airdrop, it's gonna take you to wherever you will fill the details needed. So first of all, it's gonna ask us for our Binance email, our Binance ID. So what I'm going to do is to easily enter my Binance email here, enter my Telegram handle, Telegram channel, Telegram username, and follow them on Twitter. Enter the Twitter, my Twitter username, also my Binance machine USDT wallet address. So I'm gonna get all these things now and get back to you guys. So first of all is to click on the link to join the Telegram channel and follow their Twitter handle. Then enter your Twitter handle and your Telegram handle to make sure that you did the task completely. And as you can see, I just joined their Telegram channel over here. They have around 14,368 subscribers as I'm talking to you guys now, and they made some amount of posts here over the already. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to the site and enter my username. And yeah, what I have to do now is to enter my Telegram username, which is ZubiKing+1. And again is to go over to their Twitter handle. So if I click on follow their Twitter page, it's going to take me over to the Twitter app, and it's going to get me direct to their Twitter page. So as you can see, they are currently having 13,000.2 followers, and they have made some pin posts and some other posts, and a lot of people have seen it, and people are ready to make money with it. So what I have to do now is to click on follow over here, and so the next thing I have to do is to go ahead and copy my wallet address, my Binance Machine Network wallet address on my Binance account. Then after entering my wallet address from my Binance, I'm gonna enter my Binance email address and then continue the video. After everything, all you have to do now is to click on claim airdrop, and as you can see, after the verification, it's gonna ask us to. And as you can see now, it says my claim is successful. I made a little mistake and I corrected it. So if you click on this TXH over here, you see that the airdrop is now successful. That is 200 seed, and the staking is also successful. That is 200 seed. So automatically it's going to do everything for you. So this is the thing you need to do now as a newbie on this particular platform. So as you can see, they says the staking period is going to last for 10 days. So, and after it, the staked seed for us will be unlocked, and I don't know whatever will happen before it, but right now let's see how it goes. Don't risk anything, don't invest anything. Let's see how the platform goes before actually trying to make deciding to invest money to make more money on it or not. Let's see how the platform works. And as for now, I think I'm done with the whole thing I need to show you guys in the video. Also, they can join their Telegram community, and this one, they says seedly reward for Catly holders. So you need to click on claim, and you will see they will ask you to follow their Twitter handle and send some screenshots to their support bots and all these things. So once you're done with it, I think they are sharing NFT or something like that, or it's just seed whatever is their token. So let's see how it works. But right now, let's play safe and don't invest in anything that the platform says. I think they're also coming soon with NFT market and all these things. So I think this platform is going to give yield money if they stay long and show us that they are equal to the tasks which they claims to get. And as for now, I think I'm done with whatever I want to show you guys on this video. If you can also share your link and get some referrals, and let's see how their referral works, because I think they say their referral worked up to 12 levels. Catly work up to 10 levels, and this one is trying to work up to 12 levels. I don't really know what is going to happen, but let's see it, and let's see it now. My name still remains Viking, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video, and not forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. As for now, peace.